Presenting a brand new 2022 Winnebago Voyage 3033BH. New Winnebago Voyage 3033BH. This break out of the everyday for days on end. This half-ton travel trailer is built for explorers who dream of extended adventures, but aren't willing to leave comfort and connectivity behind. With standard washer/dryer prep on most floor plans, unmatched storage, and king bed options, the Voyage is the escape you've been waiting for. Our Voyage V3033BH features a rear corner double bunk floor plan with dinette slide that includes the optional L-chaise lounge, and rear corner bath. The L-shaped kitchen offers ample room for meal prep, while the front master suite is a great place to end the day. Options on this coach include dual solar panels, holding tank heat pads, power tongue jack, second AC unit, and king-size bed. MSRP on this coach is $72,485. UVW is 7438 pounds with a GVW of 10400 pounds. See all photos of this and other fine RVs and vehicles at www.gurdonautosols.com, or call John Gurdon to discuss transaction details. Tax, title, and $125 documentation fee extra.